Okay, so just right now we learn a overriding concept. Now we can go to the next. You know that every programming language having to the comment. What is the use of comment? Comment will be making our code more understandable for to the developer purpose. Means this comment we are writing only developer can able to see, but in the output section it will be not display anything. Okay, so how we can going to write the comment? We can write the comment using by slash, then start whatever the lines you have. If you want to write the one line, or if you want to write the multiple lines, you can write that, and after end of the start and slash. Let me show you. I can go inside of the CSS, and suppose I want to write over here, this is my style sheet, so I can write, suppose I'm writing over here slash star, okay, shift star and the slash. Now I can write inside, this is my comment, isn't it? Okay, if you can write even to the much, even if you are writing to the 3-4 lines, still it will be a properly work. You can check when I can apply to the comment, you can check over here, it is not appear. Did you get it properly? Okay, so these things are there. Comment are making your code more readable. Like we can write also, if you want to be write like this part are display the h1 background color, right? So you can declare like in the above. But these things will be, nobody will be declaring. If you can declare to the part, like maybe from here to down, you have to the maybe heading section, heading color you use, or the navigation color you use, or down below if you use to the footer color. So you can like that, you can write that. See, like again back hash star again hash, below we have the footer. Footer part, isn't it? So like that we can write. This is are helping us to understand what we wrote it and where. So let me remove to the comment. If you can save, you can say comment is not visible inside of your display section. Okay, now let's understand to the another thing. Okay, let me remove to the comment, Control S save. Now we are going to understand later. We have the measurements. Do you know that what is the meaning of measurement? Measurements, it's like a units. You know that if suppose I have the over here one floor, okay, I have the so on so floor we have. If I want that measure the floor, we have to the measurements, isn't it? Like inches, centimeters, isn't it? Which one in the real world? If I want to take a measurement of my area, we have to the measurements are there. Same like that in CSS also we have to the measurements are there. Measurements are helping us to increase, decrease the sizes. Okay, so let me give one example about to the measurement. Suppose what I am doing, let me add over here. Okay, first let me remove to the unnecessary thing. I'm not using internal CSS. I'm not using inline CSS, but I'm using the external CSS because in the future we need to use to the external CSS only. Okay, because external CSS is very important. Now what we are doing, suppose I want to write over here not h1, let's write to the paragraph tag, and inside I'm writing to the lorem. Lorem means what? It is to the some kind of very big text, or I can say the one para. Okay, Control S save. Let's see how it's look like. Let me reduce the size also. My original size is the 100, isn't it? Our original screen size is always 100. Now what happen if I want to be increase the paragraph sizing? So what I can do, I can go inside of the external p tag, means element selector. Then again I can write inside a text size, isn't it? Or I think so we have the font size as a one property, isn't it? So I'm going to write font size, and you can check over here measurement is coming large, larger, medium, small, smaller, x large, x small, double x large, double x small, percentage, CPA, inch, CH, then again cm, centimeter, then again CQB. I don't know even the lot of, but I think so everyone know that is called inches, millimeter. So many we can use that, but what we are using lot of, we are using px means pixel. Why the pixel? Because your screen, whenever you can see this screen's having to the pixels. Okay, so we can write the pixel. We are writing lot of pixel and the percentage. Right now suppose I want to be increase my size of text, so I can write the property and after that property value. Suppose I am writing to the value as a 45. Okay, 45, and after this 45 value I am going to add to the measurement, or we can say the unit, isn't it, or measurement unit. When I am adding to the pixel, you can check Control S saved. Check it over here. What happened? It is bigger. Now I will be going to increase more. I want 1.5 or 105. Which one is very big? Did you get it? See, so pixels are going to help you increase, decrease your size, means measurement. Okay. Now, if you are putting only the 5 pixel, Control S save, you can check it's very small, isn't it? If you are putting only the 1 pixel, that is, now see how much is that, more small. But if I want to be a proper, then I can put to the 10 pixel. 10 pixel also is not enough, then increase the thing 20 pixels. You can check right now is happening. But see, if suppose I want to increase a little bit, the pixels are taking a lot of time to set also, isn't it? So what I can do, I can write to the percentage, because percentage always are using to the 100% formula, isn't it? It's more than 100 is not possible, isn't it? Okay, so let's go. Do you heard anywhere anyone got to the above the 100 percentage? No, percentage always are following to the 100%. I'm not going to be a inside of your maths concept. Just understand measurements are going to helping to increase and decrease the size of your whatever you have. If you have the image, has image size will be increase or decrease. If you have to the paragraph text will be increase and decrease, is based on what exactly you are taking to the element. Okay, and what is your property. Now what I am doing, I'm going to not using to the pixel. Check it, 20 pixel size is how much, and if I am applying to the not pixel, I'm going to apply to the percentage. Control S saved. How much size? Did you get it? So every particular your measurements having to the different units, isn't it? So see, I already added over here. We have the percentage, centimeters, em, ex, inches, millimeter. Okay, see, millimeter, pc, then again we have to the pt and the px. Right now what we will do, let's try to the one by one also. I will be keeping as it is to the size, just only we will going to change to the unit. Okay, now see over here, first let's use to the percentage. So percentage how much? 25 percentage. Control S saved. See, if I am putting to the percentage size, how much is the size? Did you get it? After the percentage, what we will use? em. Okay, let's use that. Over here we will go, I think so over here something another we have, that is called cm, centimeter. Okay, so if I am going over here, I am removing percentage. If I am writing to the centimeter, let's check how it's what is the size. What is the size? Because in reality centimeter is very big. Did you get it? So you need to be think about that which unit you need to use. If you want to ask me which we are using, so I am using lot of, that is called pixel, px. Okay, ps means pixel. Let me show you this one, px, pixel, because your screen is based on the pixel. We have the tiny pixels are there. Okay, so I'm going to use the pixel, and apart from I'm using also to the percentage, and even I'm using also lot of, that is called, not lot of, that is em. Em also is very fine, but it is very big because of the reason em also are very, but em when we can use there guys, we have the specifically we can say, I can say that a specifically reason when we want to use the percentage, when we want to use the centimeter, isn't it? Suppose think about that, I want to quickly increase my letter, so obviously I can use the centimeter.